Today I'm going to tell you everything you could possibly want to know about these storage bags. I'm going to shrink down all this clothing in here. I'm going to show you exactly what happens. These things are absolutely awesome. If you want more space or you're traveling and want to pack a lot of stuff, you want to pack even more stuff, you'll kind of love this. This is good for blankets as well. I'll do blankets for you. So let's just go from the beginning here. So you're going to get 8 20-inch bags, 4 24-inch bags, and then 4 28-inch bags. You're gonna get these little clips here. So you're gonna get clips for all the bags, which is nice. They could have easily just gave you one clip, but they gave you for that. We have a pump and a carrying case right over here. Also comes with a charger. It has like a nice little mesh charger here, which I haven't really seen. So let's get started here. All the other bags just come right like here. This is how we store them. We're gonna start with, for this, we're gonna go with the 24-inch bag. Really nice material on this. You'll see it has like a little bit of a ruler right over here. We're just gonna pop these open real easily. You got like a nice double seal right over here. So easy to open these up. What I like to do is just kind of get a little air in them. Even though we're taking air out, it just makes it easier to load these up. So let me get the pump ready as well. I do like that it comes with this nice little carrying bag right over here. And this pump is super easy to travel with. Doesn't take up a lot of space. It's chargeable by USB-C. So let's kind of get into this right over here. So right over here, I have a pair of jeans, 4 pairs of shorts, and 3 shirts. I like to put them, I don't like to put everything in one shot. I usually just get this kind of situated first. And you'll see like that. Then we're gonna get the other 3 shirts in here just like that. Plenty of space in this bag right over here. I like to start it just like this, get it going, and then I finish it off. Right when you get to the end over here, maybe just give it a little hold. This is obviously easier to do if you're just like on the table or a floor or a bed, because you could just sit right there and do it yourself. And then you're just gonna take this little clip here. You're gonna put this on top right over here. This is just to give you like a little extra, and once it's on tight like that, you hear it's just clicking now. All right, we're all set on the click right over here. Now you're just gonna take this pump right over here, this side. We're gonna take this out just like that. Simple to screw that off. And what I like to do is put it on a table just like this, and then we're just gonna put this on top. And to go quicker, don't have to do this, but it goes quicker if you push down. So you're just gonna hit that right over there. Now I'm gonna push down on this to just make it go quicker. You'll see it's shrinking down extremely quickly right over here. Super powerful pump. And this is what it looks like now, all shrunk down just like that. And then you'll see right over here, kind of how it, you get like 3 of these in here. Before this was pretty packed. I've also experimented going the opposite way like this, like getting the clothes in there. So if I go like that, I could easily get maybe 2 of these on each side. So you can see it saves a ton of space. Now, for blankets, we're gonna go with the 28. You also do a pillow in the 28. If you're not digging these sizes, they have different sizes as well. Just really like these bags. Actually, I'm gonna do a pillow with this one. Blankets is great for this stuff too, but we use this for decorative pillows. For this example, I'm just going to use a normal pillow. This is a king's size pillow right over here. So we're just going to get this in there just like that. So yeah, you could fit, I could easily get another one in here if I wanted to. All right, so let's kind of just get this snapped in right over here. And these are super easy to snap. Really like the quality. We've had some other ones. Sometimes it's hard to like snap them, which is kind of annoying. So we're just gonna kind of get that done just like that. All right. And then we're just gonna take this right over here. Make sure you hear it gives that extra clip. So you could do it with your fingers, but it's obviously, if you want like the tightest seal, you go with that. So we're just gonna take this. Again, I'm going to turn this around just like that. These are dust free. They'll keep liquid out. So they do everything right over here. You'll see just really doing a great job here. And there you go. It's totally flat. And what I also like about these too is even though this cap isn't on, it's not like losing air. Like some of the other ones start to lose air right away if this cap isn't on. So this is nice and flat. And then if you want to open these up to get your stuff, I do like the front, like the back, you can see exactly what's inside. And the front, you can't necessarily kind of like see through because of the color. So I kind of do like that. So like, not everyone has to know it's in here, but if you look at the back, you can see it. Really, really like these a lot. If you're looking for some great vacuum seal bags for pillows, blankets, travel, I mean, you get almost 3 times the amount, 4 times the amount that you could get normally. Definitely check these out. You get the pump, you get, this is the 16 pack. They do come in all different sorts of packs. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you find the right vacuum travel bags for you.